Welcome to POISE's e-learning and certification services. In this session, you will learn IoT data modeling. Data modeling is a crucial step in building an IoT solution. As discussed in the first video of this series, data analysis requires data to be properly organized in the standard format. We can convert raw data collected by an IoT device into standard format on the device itself. Data modeling is also essential for data portability and gaining semantic interoperability. So let's find out the role data modeling plays in building data-driven products and services. As we know, the data collected from the real-life environment is mostly raw and meaningless. For example, this number 35, it has no meaning associated with it. Data modeling is the first step towards making collected data meaningful, context-rich, and decision-ready. A data model in this regard is defined as an abstract virtual model that represents a real-world entity, for example, conceptual or physical objects, the state of such objects, and events. Look at this example. The same number 35 now has a meaning associated with it. It is the temperature of bedroom 1 on the first floor of this house acquired at 10 a.m. on March 12, 2021. So this is how data modeling makes your data meaningful. As alluded to earlier, smart software applications make decisions and react to change in the state of an object or an event. To enable these applications to make correct decisions, data presented to them should be context-rich, that is, an accurate representation of the event. A simple data model could store data as a key value pair. Key is also called attribute. Attributes could be static, for example, the model of a car and the manufacturer of a washing machine, or dynamic, for example, the speed of a car and the quantity of detergent in the washing machine. The values of dynamic attributes need to be updated regularly to keep them relevant to present context. A data model holding data as key value pairs could easily be translated into a JSON object. JSON JavaScript object notation is a lightweight, language-independent data interchange format. JSON is built on two structures, a collection of name-value pairs in various languages. This is realized as an object, record, struct, dictionary, hash table, keyed list, or associative array. The second data structure is an ordered list of values. In most languages, this is realized as an array, vector, list, or sequence. Almost all the programming languages provide tools and libraries to create and perform operations on JSON data objects. In the next video session, I will demonstrate how to use Arduino JSON library to convert GPS and sensor data into a JSON object. So stay tuned. POISES also offers skill certifications. Visit www.poiseselearning.com to register and take exam. Happy learning.